Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought an interesting topic on how to read and extract texts from PDF. Now if you see here, I have a PDF, and say like if you guys are dealing with most of the accounts and finances, then you will be receiving this kind of financial reports at the end of the month or quarterly or yearly. Now suppose if you want to extract the texts and you want like couple of informations I need to capture into an Excel file or read and store the informations, then this video is very much useful for you. And for the rest of the other users or viewers, this will be useful for you as how to extract the texts or how to read a PDF file and store it separately. So let's start with it, guys. Now it's very easy. For doing this, just first of all you need to import a library called Fitz. So this will not help, so you need to install it using your pip installer, and it is very easy to install, as you all know it. Then we'll have a statement to open the PDF file as doc. Then first of all we'll load the page 0 is nothing but the page 1, so our index will start from 0 to load the page 1. So page equal to doc.load page 0. Then we'll extract all the texts from here. Page text is nothing but what we're defining is page.getText. So everything whatever is available here, we'll be just extracting it, everything. Then I will just show you the page count. It has another functionally called, you can load the page counts, how many pages it has. It is 1 2 3 4. You can just get it. Then there's nothing but the page text is gonna print. Now next, so in this case I will be showing an example of two things. I will be reading and extracting the values of two columns here. One is nothing but the beginning of inventory, the value, and the next will be the wages, salary and wages. Okay, so for doing this, what I'm getting is like, first I'm defining two variables, text for inventory and text underscore 2 for wages. So if you see, we have an inventory here, and the next we have a wages here. So my how I'm going to find what the value is, right? So what I will do is like, I will first find the index of inventory text. Once I get the index position of the inventory, then I will just go for the next index plus 1 to get the value of it. So in that way I'm gonna get it. Now index 1, okay, this is the index 1. I will be defining the variable as x dot index dot of text. So this is the text inventory. So I'll be getting the x of index to get the index number position of the index. Similarly, I will be getting the index position 2 for wages. Okay, now I need to get the next text, right? So the value. So get text 1 equal to index 1 position of this inventory plus 1. So next value is my value for inventory, and the next is like for wages, get text 2 index 2 plus 1. The position of wage, suppose it is the position of wages 8 or 10, 11 is by 20,500. So 11 is nothing but 20,500 for me. So this is how it is. Then I will be having a to print statement for getting the value. Let's run it. Okay, now if you see, I got page count 1, then I have all the entries which is here. If you see annual statement of 22-23, then I have everything here, right? This is the reading of PDF file. Next, after that, I need my beginning inventory, right? It is printing my two statements which is needed. One is beginning of inventory, that is 20,000, and the next is wages, that is 20,500. Now let me take you to the PDF. Beginning inventory is 20,000 and the wages nothing but 20,500. So this is very easy, guys. You can try it out, and if you have any doubt, you can always let me know. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys.